Okay, guess what? It snowed in our garden. I cannot wait to go out in it with you guys. It's gonna be great. But first, let's put some oatmeal in our stomachs. So I thought we could have some yummy oatmeal with frozen fruit first, add a little granola. I've already added the brown sugar and plant-based milk, but I just had to dig in. Oh my gosh, you guys, guess what? We got snow. Look. Oh my gosh. How beautiful. Literally, this is only the second time since the snow. So I thought you and I, hello, we gotta enjoy it. Let's go. It was as if everything had frozen and gone silent in the garden. I'm so used to birds chirping, frogs chirping, and everything was silent. Look at all the beautiful crystals in our grapevine trellis. Just think, this summer it was full of braids, and now it's full of crystals. I'm not sure about you guys, but every time it snows, I feel like a little kid all over again. I love to play in the snow and just be. Ah. And check out our apple tree. Oh my gosh. Now talk about crystals. It literally looks like someone dusted this tree full of the most beautiful shiny crystals. But this summer is gonna be back to some yummy. I just love it. And believe it or not, you guys, our pond is almost rock solid. But thank God it's not solid. I still can see, like, I see a little vibration underneath, so we probably have like an 8-inch layer of ice. But believe it or not, our little froggies, our Carolina chorus frogs, are still happy, and they're just down really, really low under the mud and under everything, and they're hibernating for the winter. So I can't wait to see my Carolina chorus frogs. I'm so glad they have a solution for this winter. All right, let's go see what else is happening. Well, you know how it goes. As soon as the snow came, it started to melt. But I did notice our rosemary will be okay. And I think that kale is going to make it too. It loves cold weather. And as I continued to walk through the garden, I noticed how everything went silent. But believe it or not, our compost in the back is still working, and all is well in our beautiful garden. We didn't have to worry about Chica in this cold weather because she's no longer with us. But I guess she picked the perfect time to exit stage left. She was 13. And I actually had some late cabbages, Brussels sprouts, and carrots still growing. But I've got a feeling when this snow melts, they'll be perfect. Brassicas seem to love the cold weather, and that is my favorite time to grow them. So I'm betting on the brassicas and the rosemary lasting. Okay, so it's extremely cold, but I just had to have a little fun with you guys in the garden. And go back, if you haven't seen yet, go back and check out our grocery store video, because I show you how to do some plant-based shopping, and it was right before this incredible snow. So anyway, you guys, this is incredible. I'm gonna have some more fun, and I'll see you soon in the garden. That didn't go so well. Oh, let's just try again. So they say we may not have another snowstorm for another 5 years, but I'm betting on winter fun. And if we get another one, I am going to be sure to go out and enjoy it. This day was amazing. Now I got to get warmed up and back inside. And as for you guys, remember, you're never too old to play in the snow. So next time, let's have a snow date. Bye.